Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow, pretty, pretty.
That's the way to travel to a mine, isn't it?
Oh, luxurious. As close as we can get.
Yeah. So we've got the RV, underwater drone, some people call it.
Yeah, I'm having a bad hair day. Do forgive me.
We're not actually going underground ourselves, but
No.
this is. And that's the way to travel in a Series 3 Land Rover. And
We're heading over in that general direction, aren't we?
let's go and find it.
Yeah.
Look at all that quartz
That's
over there.
beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a reason to drive an Adit if ever I saw one.
That's a sign of a mine nearby.
Yeah, often with these outcrops of quartz like that, even if they don't look mineralised on the surface, miners would drive adits underneath just to have a deeper look, wouldn't they? So that is highly suggestive.
Let's go. So
would you believe it? Our level is over there.
over there
It
somewhere.
doesn't look very miney, but trust me, it is.
It's very marsh-like land.
Yeah.
It's very soft.
Awful stuff to have to dig through just to find the bedrock in the first place.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
crazy to think right about there
Yeah.
is an adit. And we're going to stick the underwater drone in it.
Very shallow. There's hardly a hill for it to drive into,
No,
isn't there?
barely any hill, look.
Yeah.
Let's go and see what we can see.
Okay.
So here we are, we found the level.
There it is.
And that's,
Completely full of water.
it is, and that's going to go in there and show us what's in there. Hopefully it goes a bit.
Yeah, it's a very unsuspecting place once again for a mine, but here it is. So we'll
Let's give it a go.
see what's there.
Right, here we go.
Right. There's our level.
Can you see it?
Hey.
Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Wow. Pretty, pretty. So it's not completely flooded, but it's fairly flooded, isn't it? Going and going in a relatively... It seems to be a crosscut because there's nothing obvious going on in the roof.
No, it's got that, what's that effect?
Oh, that thermocline or whatever
what
it
it's
was.
called?
Yeah, thermocline. Or...
Try and stay off the floor. There's an angle to it.
Yeah.
See that?
Well.
Footwall and hanger wall.
Yeah.
Pretty much, isn't it?
It's curving to the left. It's still going. Are we running out of water?
We are. No.
Oh, it's going, isn't it?
Yeah, let's pull some cable out.
Yeah. I didn't think it'd go very far, but... Oh, it goes down now.
No.
Can we go down a bit?
Goes round the corner.
Oh, what's this?
Hear that?
Yeah, sounds like my stomach.
We're caught.
Ah, sorry.
God, it catches easy, that cable, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, we're going sideways now.
Oh. What's happened?
Are we resting on... There we go.
There we go.
There we are. Right. What's this going on here then?
I was in the wrong mode.
Oh, okay.
I was in sport mode.
That's back. Right, so what's all this then? Wow, look at this.
Now then.
Okay, so there's a T-junction. Ooh. Well, well.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's silting up. We're on the surface. We're breaking the surface.
There's
so
not
shallow.
enough water, is there?
No.
Let's go forwards if we can.
Oh no.
Oh, might have to pull it out.
Well.
Ah, there we are.
I can't see. No. I can't see.
Do you want me to give it a pull?
Mm.
I'm going to measure it.
So, that was exciting.
That was interesting. Another one.
A T-junction.
Yeah, a wide T-junction area with it carrying on.
Yeah, I suggest wait for heavy rain because this will fill to the roof.
Yes, and then we come back.
And then we'll come back and sit the RV in there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Because there's more water, we would have gotten through there.
It's been dry for a few days. We haven't had proper rain for quite a while.
That's true.
And I reckon this will flood right to where the RV is.
Nice, and then we should be all
It'll
right.
be deep enough.
Watch
Anyway.
this space.
Hey,
Excited.
thank you for watching and all the best to you.
Ciao for now.